Hello, my great and wonderful people. We welcome you all once again to our today's episode of this program. Now, with the Nation Voice, the voice where they reveal the secrets when it be said the government and the politicians that they say they cover. And today we get these videos when it be said we want to try quickly review to owner. First, when this Chinese doctor enter Nigeria, they make a interview, they grant interview to the Chinese ambassador to Nigeria. And he get one thing when he be say he talk, say, the time where they dey for this problem, when they face the whole world today, so this pandemic, say Nigeria, say we render good hand to them. Say the reason why this doctor comes so now to come pay back for the good thing when it be say Nigeria government don't already do to them. And when I see this very interview, we still go on research again. Come find out, say, now opposite be the issue. Now, the reason why we dey talk, say, something dey behind this coming when we say this Chinese doctor comes so. We dey try to bring more evidence to this very one. Not be for someone to just come open it to laugh with you. Even as our federal government use red carpet to welcome this Chinese doctor so, and every other Chinese when it be say they inside our country, Nigeria, una go fit believe now say, even as we dey talk now say, Nigerians when they China say that they drive them for outside, that they pursue them for outside, drive them come up for their own house. They use by force and by fire, they give them this vaccine when it be say we even to speak against so. All this video now you go to see during this very program what we do. So first of all, may you watch this very interview when this ambassador of China grant for Nigeria. What this one, I'll come back for the conclusion.
The ambassador of China to Nigeria says the Chinese experts that arrived in Nigeria came to reciprocate the gestures demonstrated by Nigeria during China's trying times in fighting COVID-19. He acknowledged that the Nigerian government had shown China great solidarity when it struggled with the coronavirus pandemic. He speaks on the cost for the services rendered. The ambassador said the major secret which worked for China, especially in Wuhan, the epicenter of the virus, was the lockdown and success in breaking the chain of transmission.
I'm struggling to understand the logic, but for us, it's a very simple thing. At the most difficult stage of China's fighting against COVID-19, we received support of all means from Nigeria. It's time for us to reciprocate the friendship and kindness. This is the first time I met tete-a-tete with the Minister of Health since early February. And I appreciate the strong support for us from him and the government, the Chinese business, private or public. What we are trying to do is to address the concerns of Nigerian friends. According to the information the CCECC told me, the value of the equipment, medical supplies, is around $1.5 million, and including the other costs like the chartered air flight, it's all around $2 million. The lockdown in Wuhan lasted 76 days. So since January 23rd, Wuhan had been in lockdown. Today is the very first day the lockdown has been lifted. So you see,
the Nigeria federal government, when it be say they arrange, we always they continue to the talk and say, now the unfinished work when it be say the Boko Haram no finish and the herdsmen never finish before this very pandemic come outside. Now the one can use this one like another face to come accomplish for inside Nigeria. Una the datos, okay, make una watch this other video when these same people drive all Nigerians when they did China as at now when we they talk. So when this lockdown they so when they did drive them outside. Watch this video, I'll come back for the conclusion.
Look at everybody outside. Everybody's outside. Look at the Chinese police. They won't allow us to rest. They took us away from our house. We don't have anywhere to live. They are pursuing us. Why? Chinese leave Africa. Africa don't do anything, but now Chinese come here, pursue us now. Chinese Africa, everywhere Chinese. Don't worry. In Ahoa, you couldn't have name Chinese Africa, Chinese everywhere. Look at what they are doing. Don't worry. Chinese everywhere, Chinese Africa, Chinese my country. Chinese for my country. Chinese for my country, Chinese leave my country. We not do Chinese anything. Chinese Africa everywhere.
If they talk, they will say we just want carry the condemn the federal government. We just want to create unnecessary tension to the heart of Nigerians. May they just they see or they paint this federal government black and white. No, that will not be anybody intention. She una dey see everything now. See as Nigerians take the inside rain for inside this Chinese ground. When it be say they say Nigeria don't do the good, say they come pay back. Say when they want to come help Nigeria to fight coronavirus. If you fit treat Nigerians for inside your country like this, you want to come our house now. Say you dey come with good intention. Now people, this one a question. If you fit treat us for inside your country like this, when be say we even dey rent house for your house, they pay you house rent, they pay for your NEPA bill, they pay for every bill when it be say we they contribute to una economic. Una fit treat us like this. We want to tell me say you want to come my own country now, come wish me well for inside the. For una to know, say, these people say they want to kill us, join our own house for this coronavirus matter when they take carry on Nigeria. So now make us they bring this one. To further go see show una or more evident, I bet make una get patient too, because we want to continue to show una something. Even Nigeria ambassador to China, see waiting. How he respond to these people, how he even aggressively collect passport. After that, we'll see show now about the vaccine when be say we talk earlier. Make una get patient. First of all, watch this video first. I'll come back for the conclusion.
The federal government of Nigeria. In Nigeria, as I mentioned to you last time, we have a lot of Chinese there. I don't think you have ever received any information that the government of Nigeria go to their various houses and pick them and quarantine them. You can never receive such information. Why is Africa and indeed in Nigeria being targeted? We have European people here. We have people from America. We have people from other countries. We have people from Spain. We have people from Italy. The population
You'll be popular.
Yes, no problem.
You'll be popular.
No problem. You'll be popular too. I'm a diplomat agent.
Yeah, you'll be popular.
Yes, I'm a diplomat agent. In line with the Vienna Convention of 1963, the consular has the right to protect its nationality. What we are doing this night is to protect all our Nigerian nationality. They are not a criminal. They are not anything. Why are you harassing them? These are the things we want to know.
Who arrested?
You are harassing them.
Who arrested?
You are harassing them. If you are not, I will tell you that you are harassing them.
But who arrested?
They are police. Your police.
Who arrested?
You are.
Where is the person who arrested? Where?
You are harassing them. I'm not saying that you are. Yes, you are harassing them. You are humiliating them.
Who?
Your police.
Who?
Because they are going to their house. We have the videos. We have the evidence.
You mean arrest?
Harassing, humiliating them.
Harassment.
Harassment. You are harassing them. Yes. Because going to their houses, lock their door, come out. You are in Nigeria. What? That's for me. I don't need to talk to him. If anybody wants to talk to me, he should come here. I don't talk to anybody. I don't talk to anybody. So, as I'm talking to you,
All right, my great and wonderful people. That one na the Nigeria ambassador. Na it be this one. Ambassador to China. Na it be that very one. And I will still show una another video now where he come dey collect the passport when he be say this Chinese seize from Nigerians hand. They seize Nigerian passports. They seize their passport, see, so that they will not see chance to move. See how this matter they collect the passport. Before I'll come show now the vaccine. Oh, watch this video.
oh, give me all the Nigerian passport.
Individual day here. Hey, so
How many? I have 3 here.
yes, 3.
One. How many? So, I have 2 here.
And November Friday.
Ogbonna.
Who's a bonner? Who's the bonner? It's on this coming. It's on my passport.
Stephen.
Who's Steven?
All right, my people. So far, she una don't understand now. Say the good when it be say these people now say they want to pay Nigeria back when they take enter Nigeria. So far now, I don't see the good now. When they don't live for their own house now, can they pay Nigeria back for our own country? Una don't understand so far now. All right, if una watch that last video very well, I will see say na night be all this one. Which is to say, all Nigerians, they still dey under the rain for outside, under cold, everything. No worry, watch this very one now when it be say that they try to give vaccine by force, by fire. Now vaccine now it be the issue when it make them drive all these people come out for his house because they refuse to receive this vaccine. Even as this ambassador come, see as he stated, they say they will first of all use the cells. They test this vaccine first before any other thing. Watch this video. I'll come back again.
All this one. Everybody.
Those who go inside.
Don't go inside. Yeah, you go inside.
My people, she una see the battle. Una see the battle. You know, when we dey talk, say this Chinese, they get another wicked agenda. People say na lie with the talk now. They want to help Nigeria. Abi, they want to help us. For all this series of videos now, when it be say we show una now. This one, any proof, any sign they say these people they mean where their mission to Nigeria say now for good. Their mission where they take come meet us for our own land now say now for good intention. According to that Chinese ambassador to Nigeria, when he say Nigeria don't do the good, the time when he be say the day for problem due to this COVID-19, say Nigeria help them, now make them come now, want to help Nigeria now. Remember, this one not be last year video, this one I just a day or 2 ago. Now this one happened So, the interview when their ambassador grant for Nigeria when they say that they arrive, when the first video when we show now, with all these ones now, which one can be the truth for inside now? Say these people they just come with deceit, with their evil agenda, in connection with those presidency when we get for our own country to fulfill their herdsmen agenda and their Boko Haram agenda. To come use this one as a disguise to fulfill that mission. Now they day for. Thank God now our medical doctor, our medical team now they don't kick against and say they don't need them. Even the honorable and the senator, we don't still publish this video yesterday. They say they not back any presidency up for this decision. So we dey beg every Nigerians. The reason why we dey publish this video, nobody make una not go hospital. Anybody when they sick, sit down for your house, drink agbo, go find any native herb, drink, boil and drink. If God say this time, say now you want to sick, anybody want to sick, die for your house. Than to for you to use your 2 leg, say you dey go hospital, say you want to go meet these people. No go, not receive any vaccine, not take any even tablets, not even face mask, any gift when they give you, when you associate to hospital as a free, no carry. No carry. Because all this one are evident to you. If you still leave all this one, still go ahead, say you want to do what in your mind, you go ahead, still do what in your mind. We not tell you say we no pass, but we still just they do the best of which we know say we will fit do. And I will want beg Gunana say, I beg, make una help us share this message so that if we reach every of our people all over the world, so that they will know exactly what we they talk about. As you do so, God Almighty will bless you all in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. And I would like to hang my boat here. I will see you again when I see you. Remember, we love you all. Bye-bye.